What's up, my team? We're back with another video. Oh, what's good? What's tea? What is given? Welcome back. If you're new here, please get yourself comfortable, like, subscribe, and comment. KSG's vibe, good vibe, bad vibes, all that in between. Also, if you're new here and if you're returning, don't forget to add me on my socials. My Twitter is Khari_famous and my Instagram is Khari_famous. But I've lately been wanting to get more Snapchat followers, so here's my Snapchat. Periods. Go add your girl, please do. Life is lit outside of the YouTube camera. That's what you gotta know. At nighttime, you gotta join my poll games, and I'm gonna start giving out gifts and surprises. So, with that being said, let's jump right into this video. I'm trying to make it as quick as possible to educate you girls. Okay, so now this is a disclaimer. This method works for me and a lot of people I know or whatnot. So if you have a different method or a different way of cleaning yourself or a safer way you prefer, then hey, go right ahead and comment it or let me know and update me on some things I should know, because I don't know everything and I'm admitting to that. So with that being said, anything I say in this video, if it doesn't work for you, I'm sorry. You can text me or anything, comment, contact me, find a way to contact me, and I can help you personally if that's what you need or prefer. But no, first things first, your diet and watching what you eat. So the cleaning process starts here. You typically want to pay attention to what you eat a day before. If possible, know that you're going to have sexual intercourse at least 4 hours before, is to give yourself time to actually clean out and prep and be guaranteed safeness. My friend calling me. Say hey to YouTube.
What?
Say my intro.
What's up, boy?
Say it.
Cut the camera dead ass.
Period. That was my friend, Nico. Y'all have seen him before. If y'all haven't, then sorry, I deleted those videos. Anywho, as I was saying, it starts with what you're eating. I typically try to know I'm gonna intercourse and sexual activity a day in advance, or at least 4 hours in advance, because I want to have time to actually prepare and clean out everything and pay attention to what I'm eating. So you don't want to eat any heavy meals, like anything heavy, like a full course meal, cornbread, grains, yams, all that. You don't want to eat that. You want to eat like light stuff, like pizza rolls, no fast food, nothing that will go through your body really fast. Like fast food for me can turn my body up. It's gonna make me or break me. Some fast food places don't, but lately ever since I started eating like healthy and I stopped eating it as much, and when I do eat it, my body be like, "Oh girl, we gotta get this out your body. We not living for this." So I don't eat fast food or nothing. I try to eat like little simple stuff, like a bowl of noodles or a sandwich or some I'm lactose intolerant, so I'm not supposed to eat this. And try to stay away from dairy products, but I will eat like a bowl of cereal, just one bowl, because it will help the milk. I'm lactose, so the milk, girl, anything dairy, it runs through me, but milk particularly, it like gives a boost in my system to push everything out. Like it tell my digestive tract, like, girl, this stuff got to go. I need to get out. Like, and everything will start coming out at once. So that's why I really don't like eating cereal. I love cereal, but the milk, and I haven't switched to soy milk or nothing, because I've tried soy milk and the other milks, I forgot what they call at the moment, but like almond milk and stuff, I've tried those and I didn't like it. Like it didn't taste like milk. So yeah, I still drink milk. Anyway, sidetracked. So no heavy meals, light meals if possible, and pay attention to what you eat the day before, because your body has to break down that stuff and it has to come out, and you don't want too much to come out while you clean yourself. You want just what's up there and stuck up there to come out and stuff like that. Now on to the best part, the best / worst part. So here's your dish. Cha-ching. Can y'all see it? I hope my camera like focuses it because it's so bright. There you go. This is a dish. It's actually called enema. The girls use dish and men use enemas. It's either, let me not genderize it. It's either one, but it's very safer to use a enema for men, because females' dish are made different. Like the tip is made different. I can't explain it. You would know. But I'm just letting you know from personal experience. Like, let me tell you a story real quick. One time, my mom gave me one, and it was like a woman's dish, and like the end was built like a certain way. So when I had put it inside of me, I put it up there, pushed the water in there, and then I tried to pull it out, and it was like caught onto something inside of me because my inside wasn't made like a woman inside, and I had to yank it out, and my poom poom was bleeding, and yeah, that's it. So, pictures which one you use. But anywho, enemas are available dang near like anywhere, CVS, Walgreens, sometimes your nearest Dollar General, Dollar Store. Like, these are very common. Surprisingly, these are very common. And they're very cheap. You're not going to spend no more than $8 on a dish unless it's the one that connects with the shower or whatnot. Because they come in different sizes, varieties. And some come with longer stems. I just use this one because it's just enough for me and I get the job done. Yeah. So, you're going to, big box. It's gonna come like this with the seal on it. It's gonna come with some fluids inside. Now, you do not want to use these fluids inside because it is like a laxative. And another thing, don't ever take a laxative thinking it's gonna help you clean out anytime before sex. Now, I'm talking not even 3 days before sex. Do not, because laxatives take time to wear out of your body, and it's gonna do its job, and it's gonna clear you out more than you want. And uncontrollably. So if you used to take one like days before sex, you can still be boo-booing that day of sex and might do that accident on your partner. And we don't need chili dogs. A chili dog is when two people intercourse, two males intercourse, and two males or female, when two humans intercourse and some boo-boo get on the wee and that's a chili dog. But yo, so what I was saying, yeah, don't use this. You're gonna dump this out. Now, me preferably, I put lukewarm water, or it can be a little bit on the colder side, just depends on how I'm feeling that day. But mind you, this has to go inside of you, so you want it to be like a nice temperature. Like, I promise you, I burnt myself because I put some hot water up there, thinking it was gonna be like, cleaner, because hot water cleans stuff, It was not the move. Do not put hot water in a dish and put it in you, baby. Your insides can't take all of that, I promise you. I was like really shocked, but yeah. So I just put water and I don't put soap. Some people add soap. I don't add soap because it can mess up the lining of your anal. Also, it can throw off your pH balance. Men have pH balances that nobody knows about, but yeah, men has a pH balance. And I'm not sure if it's called pH balance. I just know we have that thing where our chemical balance can be thrown off or not. But yeah, I just put water to be on the safe side and to make it natural. Now, what am I say? So, before you actually put the dish inside of you, you're going to try to push out as much boo as you can. You're going to push out like as much deficit. You're going to defecate as much as you can. Like, just sit on the toilet and just sit there, push out. Don't strain yourself. Don't sit on the toilet like, ugh. Like, just do your light push. If it's not coming out, drink some water, move around, go exercise. Twerking really helps because exercise gets your digestive system moving. If you didn't know that, if you ever had to like boo or something after you work out or something, it's because working out stuff gets your energy flowing and the blood in your body moving, which pumps that out, So, yeah, if that's going on, that can help. Sleep dishing. So, if you're a virgin, or if you don't have sex often, whenever you dish, it's gonna hurt. Why? I don't know. It's a muscle around your anal that when it feels, because it's not used to stuff going up, it's not used to stuff coming out. When something goes in, have you ever like somebody put their finger towards your butt, and your butt like instantly like locks, like it go from this to this, cause it's like a muscle in your anal that I just found out about from my friend. She told me it's just like it automatically tightens around, so that's why it's always gonna hurt. However, if you do it the right way, it won't hurt as bad. These enemas that I buy in this bag, it comes with lube on them. So all I have to do is just dump it out and then take this cap off, and it already has like a lube already on the thing, so it makes it much easier. Sometimes I might use a touch of Vaseline, just a little drop, like not too much, because you don't want all that up inside of you. And yeah, I just use water to put in my butt so it can actually slide in. You're going to find a way. I will get up and go to my bathroom, but it's like 3 in the morning. I don't feel like redoing all that or not. But you're gonna find a position that's comfortable for you, whether it's lifting your leg up, squatting, bending over. However, I just don't recommend standing straight up and dishing because it hurts. It makes it worse because when your rectum is bent a certain way, it makes it easier for stuff to come in and out of it. So if you have like your leg up, I put my leg up because that's like a very comfortable position for me where I can see exactly what I'm doing and everything that's going on. I do it, put a mirror behind me, and then I will like look in the reflection of the mirror, make sure everything is moving right and I'm doing everything good. But just find a position that's comfortable for you so the dish can slide in. It's going to hurt. It's going to feel like you're ripping. Like, I hate to put it like this, but it's going to hurt. I'm not going to sit up here and lie to you and tell you that's not going to hurt. Like, sometimes I've, like, my first time using the dish, I was like, am I supposed to be gay? Like, I can't take this. Like, I can't do it. Like, I just was like, bro, this doesn't hurt too bad. Like, I stopped. Now, listen, if you have to stop, take your time. Do not rush it. Don't force it in there. Like, if it's not going in, just take it out. Try to go sit on the toilet again. Try it again. Or just do it really, really slow. Because it's going to hurt. Like, I promise y'all. But, hey, you have to be clean. Then a chili dog. Once again, we don't give out chili dogs. Now, once you do that, you're going to squish. You're going to have your water in there. So you're going to, these squish. When you take this little seal and stuff, you squeeze these and the water come out like a little hole. Boom, right up inside you. All the water goes up in you and it flushes your inside. So the process of actually cleaning yourself, you're gonna put you squeeze the water in you, you put it in you, you want to sit the water in you for a second. You just don't want to put it in there and hurry up and push it out. If you feel like if it goes in there and then it automatically feels like you want to come out, that means it's a lot of feces up there and you need to get that clean. Like instantly. So once you put it up there the first time, you're gonna do it, your water's gonna come out like a dark color, like it's gonna come out the color of your boo-boo, whatever the color of your boo-boo is, it's gonna come out like that dark tint, and like little pebbles gonna come out with it, or how much ever is backed up in there will come out, and you just keep, you're gonna keep refilling this. It's like a repeated process. So you refill the bottle, put it in, hold the water in. I usually twerk or jump up and down or just like move side to side. So like the water can like swish around, you know, and get the stuff off the walls and stuff, you know, like girl, get you squeaky clean, you know. That sounds really weird explaining. But yeah, you just gonna do that process over and over again so that water comes out clear. And then you have to do the test of actually swiping your finger, and you have to put your finger inside of you. I know that sounds very, very weird, but to be safe and precautious, for me, I will put my finger inside, pull it out, and sniff it, and look at it to make sure. I look at it first and I sniff it. What the? They banging on stuff upstairs. But I do all that just to make sure that I am completely clean and confident of me having sex, because I know from experience when you're not clean a certain way, you don't feel as confident with sex, you don't feel as comfortable, you're scared or whatnot. So, and a lot of people don't talk about this process in the community for people, for younger gays to know to protect themselves in the future. Because I know when I grow, I'm like, how do they, I'm scared to do it, because what if I boo-boo, and how they clean themselves, and why when they do it ain't no boo-boo coming, you know? But I never seen nothing about this, so I made this video to educate y'all and pass it out in my community, because how you forget? But that is pretty much it to cleaning yourself. It is a tedious, long process, and that's why you have to really value who you have sex with, because who wants to do that process for everybody? I know I don't. So if you do and don't mind it, have fun, girl. But for me, I barely have sexual intercourse simply because I'm so lazy. I do not like doing this process. I don't mind doing it, but it's a long process. So I don't really want to do it for everybody. You gotta be somebody for me to just be, come on, let's do it again, let's do it again, let's do it again, let's do it again. Like, you know. Anywho, yeah, that's it, that's all. But that is it, that is all. Thank you guys for coming. I hope I educated you guys enough to clean yourself and prepare for sexual intercourse. Yeah. Once again, have safe sex, use a condom, use PrEP if you have to. I don't use PrEP, but if you need that, do some research on it. If you want to know about it. If you have any questions, no question is dumb, no question is crazy or out of the box. I'm pretty out of the box myself, so anything won't scare me. Just DM me, comment on this video, Snapchat me if you want the message to disappear, tweet me, I don't care, just contact me and I'll help you out. Like, it's really no issue, no problem. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. More content is coming. I feel better about, I'm ready to come back to YouTube, I'm ready to record, I'm ready to get behind the camera. I was having like what is it, creativity blocks, and there was a lot going on in my life that was just throwing my energy off, and I couldn't focus on YouTube. Like, it was so much going on. It just was like all that on top of doing YouTube, and I feel like I didn't have the support when but lately, a lot of my supporters and stuff that watch me, they really just reminded me, like, people been coming up to my job, they say they see me on YouTube, and they really can't wait to upload again, and I'm just like, you know what, I'm actually gonna upload. So, yeah, thank y'all for watching, and watch your vibes, and I'll catch y'all on the flip side. Oh, don't forget, Add me on my social stinker. Period. And oh, I got some secret coming up in store, and I haven't told nobody. And if you watch this video all the way to the end, the code is #WatchYourVibes. And if you gonna comment down on anything, I will spam your page, and I might cash up you something. So better watch my video to the end.